Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I have a massive unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is the Under Armours. Got some of the apparel, so let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, those are the original shirt that we returned, $27.99. So let's go ahead and see these two. These are the V-neck. Heat gear. Keeps you cool. Men size large. You got the Under Armour logo right here on the left of the chest. And then on the back of the Under Armour logo on the back of the neck in the midsection. I'm not sure why their label is so freaking long. It's longer than my finger. So this one is the same, just like a forest green or like a greenish color, size large as well. Go ahead and move on to the next. So again, this one original price is $54.99, and then you have some kind of, I believe, 40% on sale on the waistband. It has Under Armour all around it, and this is where the cutoff threading is at. So there is a patch right there. So it's almost like a see-through mesh. And on the back, got the Under Armour logo on the right leg. And this is what it look like in the front. And again, you got these long labels. This one has 3 of them. And then we got the black one. Actually, it's same pattern. It's like a darkish gray. Then this is the shorts, size large as well. And this one has 2 labels. This was to look like on the back. There's no pockets at all. On the front, there's a left and right hand pockets. And then you got the Under Armour logo right there on the right thigh. Got the drawstring or the draw cord right here on the inner side. And on the tip of the draw cord, you got the H Under Armour logo. Then here are the 2 at the shirt. This is the long sleeve one. This one is not V-neck. This is the round. Regular price $39. There's no logo anywhere around this long sleeve. But somehow there's a logo on this one, on the left of the arm sleeve right here. And then on the back, there's the Under Armour logo with its name. So it's a mix up 20% off, 40% off, 30% off. So the total damage for this lot is $211.14 for that bag. Let's go ahead and move on to this one. Guess these are all the shorts. So these are all the same shorts, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.